Hi everyone, welcome to Mindful Crafts and More. I'm Katrina. If this is your first time checking out my channel, welcome. Take a look at this video or any of my other videos. If you find yourself inspired, join my channel. For those of you who are returning, welcome back. I really appreciate you just hanging out with me for a bit. So, hi everyone. Today is a Happy Mail video that I want to share with you. Sometimes my Happy Mail videos are things that I have purchased, and sometimes they are things that I have won. But on this occasion, it is a surprise Happy Mail package that I have received from a dear friend, Jeanette, over at DOY Creations and DOY Life. So before we get into the beautiful Happy Mail that she has sent to me, I am wearing one of Jeanette's creations. So if you haven't checked out Jeanette's channel yet, you have to go out and check her out. She makes beautiful wearables, and she also makes jewelry and just wonderful, wonderful items, and just well made with a lot of love. And again, if you haven't checked them out yet, please do. She has an Etsy shop where you can purchase her things. She also has multiple tutorials on her channel. So if you would like to go ahead and make them, she shows you how to make them step by step. So either way, it's a win-win, okay? In addition to that, she is on a journey and she has a second channel called DOY Life, and just wonderful words of wisdom and chats and things like that. So you know what? Just a wonderful way to get your week going and get your inspiration. Just check her out. All right. So I want to go ahead and see what's in this box because I am so excited and so appreciative, even though I don't even know what it is. Okay. So let's take a look at the box. Okay, guys. So this is the box, and I am really excited to take a look at it and see what's inside. Okay. All right. So let me go ahead and get it open. Okay, I'm back. I have the package open, so let's take a look and see what's inside. Okay, so there is a beautiful card. And once again, I'm always admiring the beautiful handwriting because my handwriting is not very good, but Jeanette has beautiful handwriting. So let's see. Oh, I love this card already. It's just beautiful. Look at this. Beautiful. And it says, thank you. Oh, thank you, Jeanette. I'm just amazed and happy and everything. So thank you. All right, so I'm going to take a peek and see what's inside, okay? Oh, oh wow. Wow, Jeanette. Okay, um this is very heartwarming. Okay, so let's open it up. Okay, so this is the first thing, all right? Hmm. Wow, these are so beautiful. Look at these beautiful roses. Oh my gosh, Jeanette. I love them. She did such wonderful work, and these will always stay fresh. So thank you so much, Jeanette. I feel really blessed, and I so appreciate this. And this is just coming at just a wonderful, wonderful time for me. Okay, so hold on. Wow. gave me these beautiful boxes. Awesome. Oh, wow. It's so pretty. Look at this. Wow. Wow. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is a beautiful top. I love the colors in it, and the design is just awesome. And it comes with a belt that is just so beautiful. Look at this, guys. Look at this. This is just so beautiful. Thank you so much, Jeanette. Wow. Okay, so I am trying to get this done as quickly as I can because I've been just so short on time. But give me a second and let me see if I can switch out of this and switch into this. Okay, so hold on for a moment. Okay, so I am back and I love it. It is just so, so beautiful and it fits great. I can wear it as is. I can put a t-shirt underneath or a tank underneath or what have you. I love it. Thank you so much, Jeanette. This is just so wonderful and so heartwarming. And you know what? From day one, Jeanette has always been such a wonderful and welcome presence in my life, and just a crafty sister and just good friend. And I so appreciate that. I hope that you know how much this really warms my heart. Just thank you so much. All right, guys. Once again, um, as Jeanette says, give people their flowers while they live, and this is just so beautiful. Thank you. Now, guys, I want you to go over and check out Jeanette's channel. Please show her some love and you won't be disappointed. She's just very inspiring and just always just upbeat. And you know what? I have several people in my life that I have met over the last few years that once again have just been such a bright light and such a warm and welcome presence. And I don't take that for granted. Know that I just so love and appreciate you, and I value you, and I want nothing but the best for you. All right. So, to each and every one of you, do everything you can to be mindful, do everything you can to be at your best health. And by all means, guys, be crafty every day. Consider some roses for someone in your life who you want to show that you love and you care. All right? Bye bye now.